Alright guys, welcome back to RVs and Off-Roads. We are here working on a 2014 Honda 250, and basically what we have here, we recently did an oil change, and after a few days of it sitting in the garage, we noticed a pile of oil on our garage floor. And so obviously we know that we have a problem with the drain bolt. Upon further inspection, we just noticed that the drain bolt just keeps on twisting. You can't tighten it up all the way. And so what we are going to be working on today is a project to repair the threads and hopefully get this bike back to where it won't leak any more oil so we can get back on the trail and start riding. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more of this content. Alright guys, so this is what we have figured out. It appears, so we had some work done on this bike. It's actually no longer a 250, it's a 270. And this is the first oil change since that work was done. And we saw that there's two crush washers on here, which isn't right. Doesn't really appear like it's the right bolt for this, but it's the bolt that's on here nonetheless. And so it may be that the guy who worked on it before stripped out the threads, did the work, sent it back to us, and here we have it. There's some leftover threads here in our drain pan here. And so what we're going to do, we're going to take this down to the store and figure out what size this bolt is, and then just go up a size and then get a new drain bolt. One size larger, and then we will do the tap and die and rethread it, and hopefully we'll get this thing to stop leaking. So here we go. We're going to head off to the store to go get those supplies. Alright guys, we just got back from the auto parts store and we picked up a thread repair system, and pretty much what it comes with, we already opened the package, but it comes with this little handle, it comes with a tap, and then also these thread inserts so you can repair the thread hole. And so pretty much you're going to tap it out larger, and then this brings it back to that original size. So we're going to give this a try and see how everything works. So we have the other camera set up down here so you can kind of watch how this goes. Alright, so pretty much what we have to do, looking at this instruction, is that we have to drill out the damaged threads. And this kit actually makes it kind of nice because this is kit number 25628. It's for a M8 by 125. And so 25628 on this little chart. Yeah, so we have to drill a 1/4 inch. Yeah, 25628. Actually a 21/64 of an inch for that size. So we're going to get that drill bit and get that drilled out here, and then get this thread repaired. repair damaged threads. So once again, here is the, like I said, it's not high quality tools. I think this thing costs like 20 bucks for this kit, maybe 30 bucks he says. It's an M8 by 1.25 for this bike. And again, we purchased it based on the size of the original bolt. And then we tapped it out larger, which is what came with the kit. And then they have the thread inserts to put it back to the original size. We could have put the original bolt in, but I just felt like it was a little bit too long. And so I got some shorter bolts. You notice here, I have some shorter bolts, and that was sufficient, I know, to hold that. These cases aren't very thick, and I didn't want anything going into the crankcase that far. So that is how to fix it. So we're gonna put the skid plate back on, put some oil in the bike, and try to get it running. All right, guys, again, don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos. That way you can be updated about any more tips and tricks for RVs and off-roads. All right, thanks a lot for tuning in. Have a good day.
It's 15 pounds.